Hey everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Travel Buddies, your channel to help you to see the better version, the real version of Iran. We'll show you the truth, the reality, something media doesn't really show you. So, if you like to know more about this beautiful country, its culture, history, and traditions, and of course, its peaceful and welcoming people, then stay tuned. We're trying our best to help you see the truth. So don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram as well, using the link in description. Now, let's begin tonight's journey. Before that, did you watch the previous video? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd appreciate it. Tonight, we're taking you somewhere that was considered higher class back in its day. Some still count it as one of the best, but it's in the west of Tehran, not north. Have you guessed yet? It's like a town itself. Ekbatan. It was built more than 50 years ago. Can you believe it? It was built to control the population in Tehran. It's in the 5th district of Tehran, and believe it or not, it's estimated that about 45,000 people are living in this town. Well, 6 years ago. Maybe it's more now. Who knows? Nowadays, it's a popular gathering place for young boys and girls. It has its own subway station right in front of one of the biggest shopping centers in Tehran. It's called Megamall. It has, I think, 3 floors underground, or maybe more, and couple floors underground. One of the best shopping centers with great quality products, a food court, an escape room, bookstores, playgrounds, and of course, movie theaters. Since the vacation for some people isn't really over yet, it seemed less crowded than usual, but if you come here next week, you won't be able to walk this much freely. And don't forget, its subway is in line 4. I loved Ekbatan since I was a little kid. We used to come here to visit a relative, and I would always imagine living here. Although it's old, but still is beautiful and strong. Walking inside subway is always different due to the station. For example, if the hallway is long, there will be people playing musical instruments like this guy. And trust me, they all have gone home, the musicians, because this morning they were more than 4 guys. There was a girl playing an ukulele in Ekbatan station and singing, but sadly we couldn't record. In most of the stations, they are playing music, which is beautiful. And be aware of those kids who are trying to sell you stuff. Don't fall for those sad and teary eyes. It's their job. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you soon again. All the love.
امیر حسین چه خبر؟ Tam da